Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best charger for Dewalt Flexvolt batteries, the Dewalt DCB118 Flexvolt 20V 60V Max Fast Charger. If you're using Dewalt's powerful 20V or 60V max battery packs, this charger promises to keep your tools powered up quickly and efficiently, making it a must-have accessory for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Right out of the box, the DCB118 impresses with its compact and lightweight design. Measuring just 8.5 inches deep, 9 inches wide, and 4 inches tall, and weighing only 1.6 pounds, it's easy to carry around the job site or store neatly in your toolbox. The charger is built with the signature Dewalt yellow and black colors, reflecting the rugged and professional aesthetic the brand is known for. What sets this charger apart is its fast charging capability. Specifically designed for Dewalt's 20V max and 60V max Flexvolt batteries, it can charge a DCB118 battery in approximately 60 minutes, significantly reducing downtime. This speed is essential for those on tight schedules who need their tools ready to go without waiting hours for a full charge. Another great feature is the built-in cooling fan system. The fan helps keep the charger cool during operation, preventing overheating and ensuring consistent performance. This is especially useful during repeated charging cycles or when you need to charge multiple batteries throughout the day. In terms of compatibility, the DCB118 supports both 20V and 60V battery packs, which means it's versatile and future-proof if you use different Dewalt tools with varying battery voltages. You only need this single charger to maintain all your Flexvolt batteries, which simplifies your charging setup and reduces clutter. Although this product is sold as a charger only, it's designed to work seamlessly with all Dewalt 20V max and 60V max Flexvolt battery packs. Whether you're on a construction site, working on a home project, or just need reliable power for your tools, the DCB118 is built to deliver fast and safe charging every time. In summary, the Dewalt DCB118 Flexvolt 20V 60V max fast charger stands out because of its fast charge times, built-in cooling fan, and compatibility with both 20V and 60V Flexvolt batteries. Its compact size and lightweight design make it portable and easy to handle, while its performance ensures you spend more time working and less time waiting. If you rely on Dewalt Flexvolt batteries and need a dependable, efficient charger, the DCB118 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.